Hey guys, welcome back. We are with episode 2 of our Fall Friday series, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rustic fall DIY floral arrangement. I'm going to start off by showing you the things I picked up from Micheals. I picked up my florals from Micheals, and I really tried to stick with that rustic feel for our rustic decor and a lot of rustic colors. I also picked up a rose gold acrylic paint along with the blush pink chalk paint. I also picked up a set of paint brushes and several pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start off by getting that blush pink chalk paint, and you're going to want to remove that green tip from the pumpkin. The good thing about this brush is that it's wide enough to pick up a good amount of product, and I absolutely loved how smooth it was by covering up a lot of that orange. Since this brush does pick up a lot of product and the paint is pretty thick, I ended up doing 2 coats on my pumpkin, and I didn't really cover the top since our flowers are going on top of there, and I didn't really bother painting the bottom since my pumpkins are going on candle stands. But then again, that's completely your choice. If you want to paint all the pumpkin, then go ahead and do it. So I'm just finishing up painting my pumpkin, and the one thing that I did love about this paint is that it didn't take a long time to dry. I believe it dried in about 30 minutes. So now we'll put that aside for it to dry more, and we're going to go in with that rose gold paint. I'm just going to clean off my brush and get a good amount of that paint product and start applying it on our pumpkin. So I believe I did 2 coats of paint on this pumpkin also, and I really loved how it really did cover up all the orange. So once your pumpkins are dried and ready to go, I'm going to be adding the flowers I picked up from Micheals to the top of our pumpkins, and you just want to play with it, and I wanted it to look really rustic. So I added some leaves to the sides. Again, this is completely optional, but I felt like something was missing, so those leaves really did give it more of that rustic feel. So onto our rose gold pumpkin, I'm just adding my flowers to the top, and this is completely customizable, guys. You could make it as full as you want, or if you just want to leave it simple, depends on you, however you want to do it. But I wanted to make mine look full and very rustic looking. So yeah guys, this is the end result of our DIY rustic fall floral arrangement. It was super simple, super easy. I absolutely love the way my arrangement came out. It matches the colors I have and it matches my fall decor. I hope you guys get inspired to do this DIY fall project. If you guys do this project, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'll leave all my social media down in the description box. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and those who are our returning viewers, thank you so much for watching. Also, if you guys did like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I really hope you guys are enjoying my Fall Fridays series. And until my next video, guys, I'm sending all my love and all my kisses. Mwah. Bye.